Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their Bestway Steel Pro MAX 5618V pool? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Choose flat location. Choose a flat, smooth location free of objects that could damage the pool. Step 2. Check leg stability. Regularly check the position of the vertical legs and use supports for stability. Step 3. Position away from climbable objects. Position the pool away from objects kids could climb and near proper drainage. Step 4. Ensure area clear. Ensure the spot is clear of aggressive plants, power lines, trees, and utility pipes. Step 5. Keep clear from house. Keep the pool clear from the house entrance and avoid surrounding it with equipment or furniture. Step 6. Verify flat surface. Verify that the surface is flat and free of holes that could damage the pool liner. By following these steps, you should have no problem setting up your Bestway Steel Pro MAX 5618V pool. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bestway users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.